Hi, this is Anusha. Now we are going to see the IP addressing and subnetting experiment in the networking. So I have considered the example like its number of the subnets is 3 and the usable host will be 45 and network address is 200.175.14.0. So by seeing this address we come to know that it's a class C address. It ranges from 192 to 223. The default subnet mask will be 255.0. As the number of subnets needed is 3, we borrow 2 bits in it so that the custom subnet mask will be .192/26. So total number of subnets will be 2 square, that is 4, and total number of hosts will be 64, in which one will go for the network and other will go for the broadcast. So total number of usable addresses will be 64. So now we can consider, we can see it here. So we divided it into 4 equal subnets and each with the 64 criteria, and we can say the first valid is .1 and last valid is .2. So last one will .63 goes for the broadcast, same follows, and next takes till next 64, so it goes till 127, and this is the third subnet division. So coming to the second example, we can see here this is the class B address and the number of the subnets needed is 10. So the number of bits borrowed will be 2 power 4, 16. So it is satisfying that criteria. So number of the bits borrowed will be 4. And as this is a class B address, we know that the default subnet mask will be 255.255.0.0. So from here it will borrow 4 bits and the remaining bits will be 12. So it will, the number of host address will be 2 power 12 and the usable addresses will be, one will go for the network and broadcast, so 2 power 12 minus 2, and total number of subnets will be 16. So the network divides into 16 equal parts. So we can see it here, 0 to 15, and it changes from the again 16 to, and here it changes from 16 to 143, like, and it goes on. It divides into 10 subnets. So coming to the topology, you can see here 2 routers are connected and this all comes under the same network, and these are the 3 different types of LANs connected, and one is for the marketing 24 hosts and research 60 hosts and management 15 hosts. You can see first we have to check which one is having the largest host, and according to that we have to satisfy the criteria. So here the largest number is 60. So coming 60, that is for the research, and we can see that the IP address is a class C IP address. So default subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. So first when we go for the marketing, it needs 24 hosts, but we have to divide this into equal parts. So each and everything here, first we divided for the management, so it took only just 30. Like this we divided for the marketing too, and the first valid will be first valid address will be the .33 and the last valid will be .62 and the broadcast will be 63. And we can see here for the research as well, the broadcast address will be 127 and the subnet mask will be 64, and the number of the bits borrowed based on that it calculates. And we can also see the link between the routers. We can see here the link between the routers also got configured, and this has the 129 and this has the 130. Like this we can configure and the divide. The classes will be able to accessible. In each number of the usable addresses will be satisfied over here.